Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the port and cable. Is it Thunderbolt 3 or 4, and is the cable rated for data and power? Next, make sure both host and peripheral are powered, and the OS has the latest Thunderbolt drivers and firmware. This prevents negotiation failures. Once done, plug the cable into the host. You will likely see a security prompt. Accept or authorize the device so the controller establishes a secure, high-bandwidth link for data, video, and power delivery. Now configure connected devices so throughput and display output match expectations. You should set monitor resolutions and refresh rates mindful of the port's available bandwidth, because pushing 4K 120Hz limits other peripherals. If you daisy-chain devices, arrange high-demand devices closer to the host. Bandwidth is shared along the chain. Make sure any required adapters are active, and, when applicable, enable PCIe or video routing in Thunderbolt control software or firmware, so the host assigns correct lanes to each peripheral. Finally, verify the connection. Run a file transfer to confirm expected speeds, check the device appears in the OS, and confirm power delivery levels if charging. When finished, unmount or eject storage devices to avoid corruption, and power cycle peripherals if anything acts flaky. If things go wrong, start by swapping the cable and testing another Thunderbolt port, then update firmware and drivers, and review the Thunderbolt security settings. This sequence
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.